Okay, so picture this. It's your first day on the job, and you've just been handed your very first assignment. We're not talking theory here. We are building a professional digital workspace from scratch, right now. This is your first mission.
So you've just walked into your new job at TOR Tech, and bam, this is the first thing your new manager says to you. The clock's already ticking, and the goal is totally clear. Be up and running, organized, and ready to collaborate by the time you head home.
All right, challenge accepted. And let's be clear, this isn't just busy work. This is your very first chance to show that you're organized, you're efficient, and you're ready for whatever comes your way. So, let's get this done.
Okay, first things first. Every single file you work on is going to need a home. I want you to think of this as laying the foundation for a house. If you get the structure right from the very beginning, everything else just kind of falls into place.
So here's our game plan, our mission. It's just 5 simple steps. We're going to create the main structure, organize it with subfolders, drop some files in, give those files professional names, and then share it properly with the team. Simple, clear, and super effective.
Okay, let's actually do this. Go ahead and open up your Google Drive or your OneDrive right now and create a new folder. You're going to name it exactly this: TOR Tech My Workspace. This isn't just some random name, it's a statement. This is your new central hub.
You might be thinking, why be so specific with the name?
Well, it's because this folder is about to become your single source of truth. No more hunting through your messy desktop, your downloads folder, or, a dozen different cloud locations. Everything related to TOR Tech lives right here. It's clean, it's professional, and honestly, it's your best defense against digital chaos. Awesome. Now, let's build on that foundation. Inside that main workspace folder you just made, we're going to create 3 more essential subfolders. Clients, for, everything related to clients. Internal docs, for all the team-only stuff like guides and reports. And projects, for all your active assignments. And just like that, with only a few clicks, you've created a logical system. You've basically built compartments that are going to stop your digital work life from becoming a total jumbled mess. From this moment on, every single file has a clear, logical place to go. Okay, our foundation is looking solid. But a great folder structure is really only half the battle, right? How you manage the files inside those folders, that's what really separates the amateurs from the pros. So for this next part, just grab any 2 files you have lying around on your computer. Could be a document, a PDF, an image, literally anything will do. Go ahead and upload one into your projects folder and maybe another one into clients. We just need a little raw material to work with. Now let's talk about something that is a total game changer, a naming convention. Have you ever wasted like 10 minutes searching for a file just because you couldn't remember what on earth you called it? A naming convention is the solution. It's a simple rule you follow every single time, and trust me, it's going to have a huge impact on your own efficiency and your team's sanity.
And here it is, the TOR Tech standard, date_description. Now the date format here is super important. It's year, then month, then day. Why? Because it forces all of your files to automatically sort themselves in chronological order. No more hunting for the latest version. Go on and rename those 2 files you just uploaded.
I mean, just look at the difference here. On the left, you've got total chaos. We've all seen this, right? Meeting notes final v2.docs. It means nothing. But on the right, you have perfect clarity. At a single glance, you know exactly what 2026-04-03 Project Kickoff is and when it was created. That is professional communication. All right, we are on the home stretch. This is the last piece of the puzzle your manager asked for. Your system is built, it's organized. Now it's time to connect it to the team by sharing your work, but doing it in a way that's smart and secure. Okay, time to deliver. Right-click on that client subfolder, choose Share, and then type in your manager's email. But wait, before you hit that Send button, pause for a second. We're going to specifically grant view access only. This is a critical detail. So why only view access? This isn't about being difficult, it's about being smart. It's a strategic move that protects your hard work. Your manager can see everything. They can review your progress, but they can't accidentally delete or change a thing. You stay in control. And that shows you're not just sharing, you're thinking. And just like that, mission complete. You've checked every box your manager gave you. But we're not just here to meet expectations. We're all about exceeding them. So let's look at one little expert tip to take your new workspace to the next level. Look, this 3-folder system, it's a fantastic start. It covers the basics for pretty much any job. But what happens when your role gets more complex?
How can you get ahead of that and build a system that's even more robust?
Okay, here's a super modern pro tip. Use AI as your personal organization consultant. Just go to a tool like ChatGPT and give it this exact prompt. You'll be amazed. It'll probably spit out a really detailed, multi-level folder structure with ideas you hadn't even thought of, like finance or marketing or maybe archived projects. It's a great way to get inspired.
Now, the key here isn't to just copy and paste what the AI gives you. Think of it as a menu of ideas. Maybe it suggests a templates folder and you think, you know what, that's brilliant. The goal is to use these tools to help you think ahead, to build a system that grows with you.
And there you have it. You did it. Seriously, in just the last few minutes, you've gone from a blank slate to a fully functional, professional, ready-to-go digital workspace. You didn't just complete your first mission, you've made an awesome first impression.
So I want to leave you with this one final thought. The way you organize your digital files, it's kind of like your professional signature. It says a lot about how you think and how you work. Is it chaotic and confusing, or is it clear, efficient, and reliable? What's yours going to say about you?